Tanya from Delhi. I am a banking professional and a home chef. And today I'm here to share one such snack recipe with you. It's called Kala Chana Kabab. It's made with very simple ingredients that are readily available at home. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let's grind chane in a mixture. So the chana is done. Let's take it out in a bowl and mix it with the other ingredients. To this, I'm adding onions, coriander, chaat masala, jeera powder, salt to taste, chili powder, garam masala. For binding, we'll now mix it thoroughly. Let's mix this. Combine this well. The kebab mixture is ready now. Let's give it some shape. Let's shape these. You can shape these into your desired shape and size. I'm not making too big. The oil is hot. We'll keep the flame at medium. Let's place the kebabs in the oil. Let it cook from one side and then we'll flip it. Let's flip it. It does not take much time to cook. Let's take it out on a tissue so that the excess oil is absorbed. Let's serve the kebab with green chutney or any dip of your choice. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Do try it.